my little trip to the Haliburtons and the Muskokas. Here we are on the Ottawa River, the beautiful Ottawa River. On a 27 July, it's a gorgeous day. It's gonna be a gorgeous day. It's gonna be hot and sunny. You could expect this river to be busy today. Surprisingly, at 11:18 in the morning, the boat launch was not that busy, but I expect it will be later. We got a sweet spot on the Quebec side here called Fort William. It's an old Hudson Bay trading post. It's been a beach bar for a very long time. It's a great place. So, yeah, down to Office Rockers, helped him load up stuff because of his broken rib and whatever the hell else is wrong with him. And I ventured off through the rest of the Haliburtons and ended up in parts of the Muskokas and probably got outside the Muskokas proper, I think, near Parry Sound. Actually, I was right in the town of Parry Sound and found myself to the beautiful Parry Island. And my apologies to the band there and Parry Island. I didn't know the whole thing was nowadays totally Indigenous owned. I mean, it's okay. They're very nice about it. But you can't just spend the night there on that beautiful paradise lot that I found that seemed too good to be true, and it was. So you need permission, an invite, or you get a pass when you cross the one-lane bridge. And if you can't get that, you can't spend the night. So respect that. Too bad. It was too late in the day to try and go and sort that out, so I ventured off at the advice of two locals that were telling me you might get a ticket if you stay here at night because they do have their own policing on the reserve. So I ventured off and into the interior east of Parry Sound on Lake Amick, as I explained. Lake Amick, Amick Lake. And that was a good spot. Not as good as the reserve. That was better. But this is out and about. Hopefully this is a video of my little escapade. Well, it would be nice of me to tell you about the Fort William, Hotel Pontiac, and not show you, so I can hear live music. Hot sand. Come on, Jock. Nope. Out.
shit is on. You done me wrong. You've been sorry wrong.
Woo, hot sand. Come on, Jock. Does that feel better? Nice and cool. Ah, the fort. I'd like to have a drink, but I think I'll abstain until later, until I get the boat in, get home, have a beer before supper. If I was here with somebody, I'd be more inclined, but that was the fort. And this is the many kilometers of sand beach on the Quebec side that you can walk up and enjoy and let your dogs run free. Just throw a leash on them if you see another dog and try and keep them away from bothering people at their cottages. Great spot, beautiful summer day. Seen a few people I knew there. Good to see. All right, so that is now it. The video is over. Enjoy the rest of the summer. Take care. Cactus without and about. And Jock.